So, and now you take the hand back. Try to reach the wall. No, she's not reaching to the wall. It's okay. So you put the hand where your wall reach. Yes? Okay. Put the hand there. Now you resist the block. Resist the stool. And resist the stool. Put the hand. Hey. What are you doing? Come, put the hand like this. Yes. And yes. So try. Yes, good. So you place that much distance so hand can touching the wall. Okay? So here I just give her idea. So, and here what happening, when she's resisting, she's moving this flesh of buttock backwards. And then the lower back is more resting. Is it? Mm-hmm. So what happened is, she creating a space in the heart and the lungs. And look at the breathing pattern, it's reaching in the abdominal area. That is the actually idea. Your breath has to reach below the navel. And then when your breath going proper here, your hips become square, and then your rectus femoral, which is here, which is giving the deep pulsation to the heart. Yes, the heart is